Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Parminder and today's topic is lipsticks. Best and worst lipsticks under ₹1000. Now lipstick is a makeup product that every female owns. चाहे आप ऑफिस जाते हो, चाहे आप कॉलेज जाते हो, चाहे आप हाउस वाइफ हो, आपको मेकअप करना बहुत पसंद है या आपको मेकअप करना बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद, पर एक लिपस्टिक तो आपके पास पक्का होगी, राइट? So in this video I'm going to tell you about the worst lipsticks as well because यही होता है, people tell us about the good things but not the bad thing and when we purchase them we end up regretting and मेरे साथ तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ है that I purchase something और वो अच्छा नहीं निकलता, then I end up regretting कि यार पैसे waste हो गए. But in this video you will get to know about the worst lipsticks as well. So I'm going to start the video on a good note and I'm going to tell you about my favorite lipstick, the one I'm wearing right now. It is by Faces Canada. It is their Ultimate Pro Long Stay Liquid Matte Lipstick and it is very good. It stays on my lips for around 5 to 6 hours and then after that I need a touch up. I'm going to swatch it for you. It is matte but it does not dry my lips and it is for 799 rupees and it is a really amazing lipstick. Now the next lipstick is also one of my favorites. It is by Colorbar. It is their Kiss Proof Stain Lipsticks and it is for 950 rupees and I love this lipstick. This is an amazing lipstick. It stays on my lips for around 5 to 6 hours and it fades away very naturally. I'm going to swatch it for you. It is matte and it is non-drying and it really amazes me when the matte lipsticks are non-drying. So the next lipstick is by Maybelline. It is their lip gradation range. I have two shades by them. One is Fuchsia 1 and the other one is Mauve 1. And let me be honest, I am not a huge fan of these lipsticks. These each are for 550 rupees and they do not meet my expectations as they are matte but they transfer a lot. I'll do a transfer test for you guys. See, the amount of transfer is insane and once you eat something or drink something it will leave a lipstick stain on your cup and if you're not a huge fan of that then please stay away from these. I'm also going to do a swatch test for you guys. This is Mauve 1. This is finished and ये मैंने as a blush use किया था. ये lipstick बिल्कुल भी रहती नहीं है lips पे तो ये मैंने ये blush की तरह use करके finish करी है and this comes with this sponge at the back ताकि एक ombre effect दे which is of no use. This one is Fuchsia. So the lipstick on my lips right now is by Nykaa. It is their Ultra Matte Lipsticks. They come with this magnetic cap which is a ये point because ये आपके पर्स में अगर है तो ये अचानक से cap लूज नहीं हो जाएगा and आपकी lipstick spoil नहीं होगी. तो I like that point for the packaging and it stays on my lips for around 4 to 5 hours because this is a creamy lipstick. It will transfer a little. I'm gonna do a transfer test for you guys. It transfers a little. So the shade on my lips right now is Mona Lisa 09 and the other shade is Diana. This one is Mona Lisa. These both are warm nude shades which are excellent for daily wear. So the next lipstick I'm going to show you is by Nykaa. It is their Matte to Last lipsticks and they were quite a hype and still they are and I really like how they have color coded these lipsticks. The one I'm wearing right now is Maharani and I have 3 shades by this range. I'm going to swatch it for you guys. This one is Madras Kapi. This shade is Chai. This one is Maharani. These are good lipsticks but मैंने टाइम के साथ एक चीज़ नोट करी कि इनका कलर पे ऑफ बहुत कम होता गया. इसका टेक्सचर थोड़ा वाटरी है so you can see the color is not very visible right now and the one on my lips is a dark maroon color which is not giving a very nice color payoff. So I used to like these lipsticks but थोड़े टाइम बाद इनका कलर अच्छा नहीं रहा and obviously you cannot finish any lipstick within 2 days. So for this point it's a nay. But one thing good about these lipstick is that when they fade off तो ये आपके lips से पूरी तरह नहीं हटती. They leave a tint behind. You can use this lipstick as a lip tint as well. So this lipstick on my lips right now is by Milani Cosmetics and it is their Statement Moisture Lipstick. It is for ₹770. I must say it is a nice lipstick. It stays on my lips for around 4 to 5 hours. I'm going to swatch it for you guys. It is the shade Matte Beauty number 69 and it is a warm brown shade which is good for daily use. But if you're not a huge fan of your lipstick transferring, then you must stay away from this one as well. I'm gonna do a transfer test for you guys. It transfers a little bit. So this is the Lakme 925 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Tint, and it is for rupees 625, and I must say I'm not a huge fan of these because they transfer a lot. But I like that they are matte yet nourishing to the lips, which is a yay. But what is the use of the lipstick when you have to do touch-ups every 2 or 3 hours? I'm gonna do a transfer test for you guys. It transfers, and I am not a huge fan of this formula as well. The one on my lips is Crimson Silk, this tangerine red shade. I really like this shade. Next shade is Blush Velvet. It is this mauvey nude shade. I really like this shade, but again the formula is not doing for me. The third shade that I have is Coffee Light. It is this mauvey brown shade. So आपको मेरी स्माइल से ही पता चल गया होगा कि जो मैं नेक्स्ट लिपस्टिक आपको दिखा रही हूँ वो मुझे पसंद है. The lipstick on my lips right now is the Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid lipsticks, and I got the mini set of this. It was for rupees 799 और इसमें 4 lipsticks आई थी, and these 4 shades are really amazing. The one on my lips is Fairy Berry number 17. I'm gonna swatch all the shades for you guys. This is number 17 Fairy Berry, the one on my lips. This is a Rethink Pink. It is a very bright pink color. I really like the shade as well. This is Drop Dead Red. The last shade is Wine and Shine. I really like all these shades, and this lipstick is amazing. It does not move, it does not transfer. So I feel these are a full paisa vasool lipsticks. These do not transfer. See, nothing, and it is for rupees 799. You must invest your money on these. So the lipstick on my lips right now is only for rupees 100. Yes, the lipstick सिर्फ 100 rupees की है. And if you're going to college and you want a budget-friendly lipstick, then this one is for you. It is the L18 Colourpop lipsticks. The shade I'm wearing right now is P25. I'm going to do a transfer test for you guys. So it transfers, but also the budget point, it is only for rupees 100. इतने पैसे में तो I guess इतना ही मिल सकता है. I really like how they have different shades for everyone, and it is very light on the pocket. If you are new to makeup, then you can start with these. So the lipstick on my lips right now is the Maybelline Color Sensational lipsticks. I know these are quite a hype, but I do not like these lipsticks. These are for 299 rupees, and the shade I'm wearing right now is Raw Cocoa. I feel that these lipsticks are very similar to the L18 Colourpop lipsticks. I mean, for the triple amount, I get the same lipstick. इससे अच्छा तो मैं L18 की lipstick ले लूँ for rupees 100. Why to invest 299 rupees on these जब इनका color payoff same है, जब इनका staying power same है? I feel these are a nay from my side, and you might want to stay away from these. But if you are a fan, then you are. And I'm also going to do a transfer test for you guys. I'm not a huge fan because of this. So the lipstick on my lips right now is by Wet n Wild. It is the Catsuit lipsticks, and it is for rupees 499. And I must say कि मैं Wet n Wild की fan होती जा रही हूँ. Not only their makeup products are very light on your pocket, but they are also of very good quality. And I have 2 shades by this range. The one I'm wearing right now is Give Me Mocha. It is this warm nude shade, and the another shade is Excellent. It is this wine shade. I really like these lipsticks as they stay on my lips for the entire day, and they do not transfer, and they are only for rupees 499. I'll do a transfer test as well. See, these lipsticks are amazing. So this lipstick is by Color Bar. It is their Velvet Matte lipsticks, and it is for 308 rupees. I feel these lipsticks are a little okayish. I mean, these are the traditional bullet lipsticks. These transfer a little. It is matte, but it is not drying. It is this traditional bullet lipstick, and if you are looking for a budget-friendly lipstick, then you can check these out. So the lipstick on my lips right now is by Maybelline. It is the Superstay Matte Ink lipsticks. These are quite a hype and worth every penny. I mean, these lipsticks are like Asian paints. आप कुछ भी खा लो, आप कुछ भी पी लो, ये आपके लिप्स से बिल्कुल नहीं हटेगी. At the end of the day, आपको खुद ऑयल के साथ निकालनी पड़ेगी. These are so strong. These will cling onto your lips, and these will not move. I'm gonna do a swatch test for you guys. These are matte as hell. The shade I'm wearing right now is Ruler. I have 3 shades from this range. The next one is Pioneer number 20. This is a red color. I really like to use this shade on my brides because it will not move, it will not budge, and what is better than that on their big day. The third shade that I have is Seductress. It is this nude shade. If you don't know about me, then I'm a budding makeup artist and you can see my work on Instagram by this username. So I wanted a lipstick palette in my vanity and I purchased the Nykaa lipstick palette and I regret so much. Like Nykaa, I want my money back. This is so not done. It is for 625 rupees and it is not worth a single penny. You must stay away from this one. And a story behind this is that one of my friends saw this palette with me and she thought that it is a good palette since it was in my vanity, and she instantly called me and said, Parminder, what is this palette? I mean, this does not work. The color payoff is very bad. It does not work at all. I am using this as a blush and I'm trying to finish this one. Plane कहाँ से आ गए? वैसे flights बंद है. Nice lipstick. I feel these that. With this we finish today's video, and if you like this video then please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, as that single click of button will mean the absolute world to me.